Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlog creator. Yep, YouTube is at it again. They're cleaning house, at least I believe they are. I'm putting this video out because I did a video a couple days back about regarding losing subscribers, and just to let you guys know, I had lost I think 3 so far. And again, I'm not letting that bother me. I'm going to keep making videos. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. And like I said, folks, I got this little thing up here I printed out. You can see the title here, what does YouTube say about losing subscribers? And this is what it says. I'm not going to read it. You can read it at your own leisure when you get the time. All I want to say is to all the new YouTubers out there that may be experiencing something like this here, don't let it get you down. Don't let it discourage you. Okay? I mean, yeah, I don't like to see the idea of it either, but it is what it is. I'm still shooting to see if I can get this channel to hit 2,000 subscribers for the new year. And if not, it doesn't matter because I'm going to still keep putting out videos. I'm working towards I'm working towards 3,000 videos, and I'm going to keep putting them out there. And like I said again, folks, when it comes to making videos, especially if you're a new YouTuber out there, the 5-step process, I always say: 1, keep it real; 2, keep it original; 3, let your channel grow organically; 4, good titles; and number 5, good thumbnails. Do those 5 steps and you should be good to go. All right, that's all I want to share with you guys. Again, don't let it discourage you. Keep making those videos. Don't listen to the naysayers saying your channel's never going to grow. You're going to get little to no views or little to no subscribers. That's further from the truth. And how I know is because I'm proof to myself that I can do this here and make it work. So it's just a matter of time. It's going to take time. Stay consistent, and your channel will grow in due time. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you guys. I will talk to you next time. If you like this video or any of my other videos you checked out on YouTube, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be up there, so when I post the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.